Wow. What is that?
Oh.
I will question you yes or no, okay? And you answer yes or no, okay?
Yeah.
Okay po. Wait a minute. Eto, ilagay mo siya kapag correct, okay?
Okay.
Pero kapag wrong, ilagay mo to, okay?
No.
Okay. Let's start.
Bye.
Let's start, okay?
Okay.
Okay po. Oh, what is this?
Oh, it's car.
No, what car?
Motorcycle.
Very good. Can a motorcycle fly?
Yeah.
Fly?
Why?
Motorcycle, nag-fly siya? Are you sure? No, hindi siya nagfa-fly. Yan. You're wrong. Eto. What is this? Ha? Chocolate. Can I eat chocolate?
No.
Eat ka ng chocolate. Can you eat chocolate? You answer yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. Go. Ay, pag ako, hindi pwede. Sa'yo, you can eat. Bad. Stop na. Yan. This one. What is this?
Sun.
Is the sun black?
No.
The sun is black?
No, yellow.
What answer is this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm?
No.
Black si sun?
No.
Anong color si sun?
Black.
Black si sun?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What the color of the sun?
Oh. Yellow.
The sun is black? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, no. Ilagay mo na agad yung no.
Black.
Anong color ni sun?
Black.
Yellow,
Yeah.
Wrong nga yan eh. This one, what is this?
A coffee.
Is this a milk?
No. It's coffee.
It's a coffee. Ilagay mo nga yes or no.
No.
Wow, very good.
That's for you.
Para sa akin ng coffee. Sa'yo.
No, for you.
For mommy. Gatas.
No.
And this one, what is this?
Ice cream.
Is this sweet?
Yeah.
Sour?
Yeah.
Sweet or sour?
Sour.
Sour ang sweet? Ang ice cream?
Sweet.
Sweet. What will you answer this? Is the ice cream sweet? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is this?
A fish.
Fish can sing?
Apata.
Nagsising ng fish ng apata-apata?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No, fish can't sing. Hindi siya nagsising. Kaya, no. The answer is yes or no?
No.
Put.
Wait.
Hayaan mo lang siya. Fish can sing, yes or no?
No.
Put it mo na. This one, what is this?
Fire.
Is this cold? Fire? Cold siya?
No fire.
Cold?
Fire.
Hot?
Hot.
Hot siya, yes. Fire is cold? Yes or no?
No.
You put no. It's hot, kamo.
No.
Fire. This one.
Oh, it's raining.
It's raining. The weather today is?
Raining.
Yes. Yes or no? Raining? Yes or no?
No.
Raining ba? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Puti mo yes. Hindi ka pa nakaka-read kasi dapat pala ganyan. Very good. Yes yan? Yes. Come on. No, that's wrong. Yes, yan ang yes. Yay! Very good, Diana. Say bye-bye to followers na.
Bye.
Thank you
Thank you
for watching.
for watching.